Hey, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales, here today doing a video on our latest creation, the frameless Boulder lane dump body from Haul Lane Manufacturing, set up as a super tag configuration. So with this configuration here, you can haul up to 18 tons depending on the truck and the options. So we went ahead and weighed this truck right here with low fuel in it, and it weighs just under 24,000 pounds. So super lightweight truck here with that frameless dump body. As you can see, there's a piece of the frame missing, and it doesn't have the steel fenders. Instead, we have these plastic fenders from Minimizer with a lifetime warranty, and there's several color options available as well. So definitely a nice setup if your main goal is just to haul maximum tonnage of concrete chunks. So you can see here, we took it to the scale and weighed it and got this low weight certificate here. This truck has Allison Auto in it and the DD15 engine. So it would be possible with the Eaton and DD13 to be a little bit lighter. So you can see the little Allison right in there. And we could also do a plastic hydraulic tank, but in this case we did the steel one. So it's a little easier to get into the bed. But a bunch of options there. And we got the rear non-steerable lift axle on this. We got the extra axle spread, where in some states you can get 43,500 pounds on that axle spread back there. But still, with the 20-foot bed, makes balancing the weight not too difficult. This bed offers over 1,000 pounds in weight savings over a typical Boulder lane dump body. And the rear lift axle, as you see, all stretched out there, so you can get that max bridge formula. This bridge formula in most states is 60,000 GVW even bridge formula. So this bed still has 1/4 inch thick steel. It is possible to do this in a 3/16 steel, but the 1/4 inch is really what you need for the bigger chunks. And we've got quite a few different hardened steel options, 400, 450, and 500 in the 1/4 inch steel. This bed also has a high lift tailgate, so you could go without the high lift tailgate to save a little more weight. And you could remove this rear heavy duty apron if you wanted to save a little weight as well. And this trench gate, all that stuff is just adds up to a little bit of pounds, but not too much at all. Inside hoist on this one. But definitely nice clean setup here. And with this Freightliner Cascadia cab, you're saving some money there as well. This DD15 engine, if I remember, is a little bit lighter than the Cummins 15 liter, not sure by how much, but if we definitely went with the ISX12 or DD13, the ISX12, there'd be more weight savings in that. So it is possible to see some lower numbers with a smaller engine. But still, with these Cascadias, you still get a bunch of room in the cab. Still decently roomy cab, comparable to the T880 and 500 series in the Peterbilt. Low miles on this one. There's our Allison controller right there. PTO. And our standard Allison control package, which is the air shifter, mechanical high lift tailgate, and latch control, very durable, and electric tarp with the fuse reset right there on the controller. And most of these Cascadias, they have the engine brake controls on the steering wheel and the cruise control on the other side. So definitely a nice feature. This one has a battery box underneath the passenger seat on this one, and single fuel tank as well, which also helps us to get that lightweight. But we do have a double frame on there, as you can see, going to the back of the cab. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thanks for watching this video. Give us a call. Let us know what custom truck we can set up for you. If maximizing your weight is what you're looking for, then this is definitely a nice option.